Hello, welcome to my unboxing of the Panasonic G9ii Mark II. Inside the box we've got some papers from Wilkinson Cameras, gear to help you tell your story, and thanks for shopping with us. Okay, so plenty of packaging. Loads of packaging. It's, as you can see, it's packaged very well. Let's get the box out of the way. And let's crack on with the main event. The Lumix G9 Mark II, because it does everything that GH6 does and more without a fan. Some people think that the fan is important, but in this country, not a problem the slightest. I watch a YouTuber called Microphone Nerds, and the lady called Emily took the G9 Mark II to Safari, and she filmed with it in extensive heat, way beyond what happens in this country, and not once did the camera shut down with overheating. So it's because of Microphone Nerds that I went and bought this camera. If you get a chance, go to her website and have a look at the review for the G9 Mark II, because it's extensive and fantastic. Inside the box we have the strap. They'll never use that. We have USB to USB-C cable. We have the charging plug. A charging plug for another country. A battery, useful. And the camera. Looks like inside here there is no charger. So it looks, yeah, I've opened it up inside and there is no charger for the battery. Usually you get a charger with these, but at the moment no charger, so it looks like you charge it inside the camera. And here we have the camera. That's the GH9. So I'll just show you all the parts that you get. The GH9, a plug for another country, the strap, the battery, USB to USB-C cable, plug for this country, the United Kingdom, and some labels and instruction manuals, or just basically instruction manuals, but no charger for the battery. Let's take a closer look at the camera. Okay. On the side here, we have the mic in and the headphone pop jack. Here we have HDMI and USB-C. At the back we have the display with a tilty screen, the display screen, or the viewfinder. That's where the cards go inside. For a remote. Never used one in my life, probably never will. Okay, some buttons at the bottom. This is what I'm most interested in. That's the battery compartment. But this small piece of plastic here is for a dummy battery, and I was very interested in that because I will be using a dummy battery. And here we have the GH6. The GH6 and the G9. As you can see, there's virtually no difference in size between the pair of them. So the top is the GH6 and the bottom is the G9 Mark II. And I have to say the G9 Mark II feels considerably lighter in the hand because the GH6 is a beast. That is the unboxing of the Panasonic G9 Mark II.